In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Google and Great Notion's support services to set up a journaling system that's both efficient and user-friendly. To start, the journey begins with you heading to your favorite search engine. For this demonstration, we'll be using Google. Go ahead and type Notion into the search bar. Press Enter, and you should see Notion appear prominently in the search results. Click on it, and it will take you to Notion's main page. Now that we're on the Notion website, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the Login option in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you do, just enter your login details and click through. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Templates section. This is where you'll find a variety of templates to choose from, each designed to make organizing your thoughts and tasks more manageable. In the Templates section, we'll look for a journal template. Use the search bar to enter the keyword journal, and then hit search. You'll be presented with a selection of templates specifically for journaling. Browse through the options and find one that resonates with your style and needs. When you find one you like, click to select it. Next, you'll want to add this template to your workspace. Simply click the Add button. After adding it, the template will appear in your sidebar menu, making it easy for you to access whenever you need it. Click on the newly appeared page in the side menu to start customizing your journaling template. To make each entry unique and organized, click on New Page to begin a fresh journal entry. Start by typing in a fitting heading that summarizes your entry content. Adding a personal touch can make the journaling experience more engaging, so add an icon to your page. Click on Add an Icon, and you can choose from Notion's inbuilt icons, or select an emoji that best represents the day's theme or mood. For a more intuitive view, click on Open Inside Peek. This allows you to see the entry without losing your place in the main workspace. When you're ready to categorize your entries, click next to the Tags button. Tags are handy for sorting entries by theme or date. From the available categories, select one that aligns with your entry. With everything set, it's time to dive into what really matters: your content. Begin typing and let your thoughts flow as you start your journaling process. Capture your ideas, reflections, and aspirations within this flexible space. And just like that, you're ready to make journaling a part of your routine using Notion. That wraps up today's guide on setting up your journaling system with Notion. With these steps, you're equipped to start documenting your thoughts, staying organized, and achieving that desired clarity every day. Happy journaling!